Lesson 1. Workplace Safety and First Aid. Welcome to our first lesson on Building Studies Fundamentals. Safety on a construction site is critical, and it begins by understanding the difference between unsafe acts and unsafe conditions. An unsafe act is a behavior, like wearing loose clothing and jewelry near rotating machinery, which can easily catch and cause harm. On the other hand, an unsafe condition is an environmental hazard, such as inadequate guards over machinery or poorly maintained hand tools that might fail. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is essential to reduce the wearer's risk of injury from impact, dust, and noise. However, it is meant to complement, not replace, physical engineering controls like machine guards. Common site hazards include loose nails and screws left on the floor, which can cause puncture injuries and trip accidents, as well as damaged portable electrical equipment that risks electric shock or fire. Speaking of fire, effective firefighting requires controlling ignition sources, keeping extinguishers readily available, and knowing clear evacuation routes. If an accident does happen, you need to know basic first aid. In emergencies, remember the ABC approach: airway, breathing, and circulation. For instance, if you encounter a casualty who has suffered an electric shock, your first priority is to make the scene safe by isolating the power before touching them if it is safe to do so, to avoid becoming a second casualty yourself. When treating a bleeding wound, always take infectious disease precautions by using gloves and clean dressings. Finally, maintain general workshop safety by keeping floors clear, controlling dust and noise, and disposing of waste responsibly.